This is a sample of an incorrect electrical installation. A cable is buried in the ground, and also the suppressor, the moisture barrier was buried in the ground, which it was clearly not supposed to. It says on the moisture barrier, do not submerge. If we pull out this cable, you will see that there's a junction box which is buried underground. This junction box is not designed to be buried under the ground, especially with two holes in the cover which will enable the moisture to come through. Needless to say that this will fail an installation inspection because the 240 volt in the box will come in contact with the moisture and some quantity of water.